Customer service is everything. That's what we're measured on. If you ever read many reviews about almost anything, particularly renovations, they're all about how you perform in somebody's home. And that's where the experience is either one that you have enjoyed, maybe reluctantly, because renovating is a pain in the neck, but it's where it's defined. That customer service when we're in the middle of a project is critical. It's what makes the biggest difference for customers. If you want to have the process go well, you need to be having conversations. Even just to ring and say, hey, how's your day, how's it going? There may be no issues, but you get to have a conversation about a little 2%er, and you can stop a small detail becoming a big one by just early enough dealing with it and understanding and responding to it. It's an opportunity just to prove that we are different and that we do it differently. We'd love you to tell our friends what we're like. It is a business, and we're heavily reliant on word of mouth and referral work. When we're done and finished and you've been in your home for 5 years, if there's a warranty matter, we deal with it straight away for you. If you're not happy, we're not happy. We're not perfect at this, by the way, but we work with you to get it right, and our intention and the philosophy that we do, that we operate by, is to work with you till every little detail's done. And sometimes the feedback that we'll get is, oh, they actually weren't happy with something and they pointed it out to me. I was happy with it because I knew no different. I really love that about our guys, how they'll do that to make sure that you get the best end result.